Start? Okay. Okay, so this week I'm here to talk to you about how to become an MVP, and I'm going to have another area that I recommend that you focus on, or another tip if you like, and that is on forums. The importance of Microsoft forums and how you can engage with those forums and become a contributor and add value to the wider community by their contributions in Microsoft forums. But before we get underway, we need to thank today's provider of this amazing t-shirt. Of course, focusing on Power BI today and bringing your data to life. Charles Sterling, thanks for this amazing shirt that you provided at Microsoft Business Application Summit. I appreciate it. Okay, let's get back to forums, Microsoft forums. Now, there's kind of like 4 key forums that if you're playing in the space that I'm playing in, which is around Microsoft Business Applications and the Power Platform, there's kind of 4 key forums that are open for anybody in the community to engage and provide contributions. The first one is Power Apps. And that's on the Power Apps community site by Microsoft. Once again, I'll link all this stuff in the show notes below. So there's Power Apps. There is the Flow forums that you can get involved in. There's the Power BI forums that you can get involved in. And of course, the Dynamics 365 forums, which have different variants based on which particular Dynamics 365 product that you focus on. I highly recommend you get in there. You create a robust profile. When I say robust, make sure people know who you are. Put your face on there. Make sure whatever brand name you're using is on there that you're using on your other digital assets so that people can see the pattern of your contributions in the community. When looking at forums, look at the top contributors. Look for those that are ranked. Who are the top 5, 10, 25 contributors? And look at the patterns to their response. Is there certain times of the day they respond? Is there certain areas that they focus on? Do you see some gaps, some white space where people are not really commenting or providing answers in a timely format, and it might be an area you specialize in that you can either research, find the answer and provide it, and or from your own experience, add comment and insight and show people how to solve their problems. So think. Observe those top contributors. What do they do? What's their consistency? How many times are they responding? What's their frequency? What's their engagement like? And then start to model that. I keep saying it, success breeds success. Look what they do and follow in kind if you're so inclined to want to get into forums. I'll be straight up with you. I don't know if I've ever answered a forum question. I might have years ago, but that's not been my thing, my area of focus that I spend my time researching those topics. There are superstars out there that absolutely nail this area, and I take my hat off to them for the massive contribution that they provide the community. You should block out time. Set like a frequency schedule that you're going to go up, look at the forum questions and respond. Is it something that while you're, watching TV or something that you can bring some forum questions up on your phone, the answer and respond to them. Of course, you want to get to that validated answer is correct. Don't just add or regurgitate somebody else's, reference where you got it from, if you're sending them a link to somewhere, etc. Give reference to whoever actually came up with the idea. If it wasn't you, but you're actually showing the person, hey, here's where you can find it, and provide the answer. You want to get that answer as marked as correct, and that contributes to contributions, which of course are needed to become an MVP. So, think about timing your response, right? People expect more than ever that if they put a forum question up there, it's going to be answered in a timely manner. It doesn't mean you should work around the clock answering forum questions. Pick out what you can do, make a commitment to it, and decide, okay, for the next month, I'm going to do this much time. For the next month, I might do that much time. But decide what your frequency and engagement, what you contribute to. Remember, you still have the rest of your life, and you always should be balanced about what you're doing in the community contribution, taking care of your family, and those in your wider friend circle, community, business, that type of thing. I hope you have an amazing week, and I look forward to seeing you in the MVP program real soon. If you have any questions, ask in the comments below. I'm happy to cover whatever topic that you feel I've missed, that you're uncertain about. I don't care where you're from in the world, I will tailor a response to you if you think there's something missing from the series I'm doing. Once again, have an amazing week. Bye for now.